Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is what is in this bag, because this unboxing is sponsored by Lux De Jour. If you guys follow my vlogs, you would have heard me say that I am going back to my roots. That's right, I said I am going back to pretty much how I started my YouTube channel, and that is promoting and talking about and buying from luxury consignment boutiques and online stores. Lux De Jour reached out to me and was like, hey Jerusha, what's up girl? This is what we offer, and trust me, it is a piece of something different. Lux De Jour is a Calgary, Canada based consignment company. Only do they have an amazing array of different luxury items that are on consignment, so pre-owned. They also resale, so brand new bags or items that haven't been worn essentially, and they're just resold. And then this is the difference. They have the coolest slogan: consign, rent, revive. How cool is that? So not only does that mean that you can consign your pre-owned luxury items, so if you've used it, you know, gently used, and you want to move it on to maybe fund something else, not only do they have that to offer, then they have rent. Inside their catchment logistics, their luxe bag rentals, they have a section of bags and items that you can rent. Hello, genius. I have wanted to try a Birkin 25 for so long. Yes, I have my Kelly 25 and they're roughly the same size. But the thing is, I love Birkins so much because I actually find them incredibly user-friendly, and I just want to see one on me, on my frame. I'm taller, curvier, so I can rent one from Lux Bag Rentals and see what I think about it. On top of that, Revive, Lux Bag Spa. Honey, if there is anything I tell anyone to do, it's take care of your items. Take care of these handbags, not only with bag organizers and things like that, but yes, spas. I don't have it anymore, but my Birkin 35 in gold Togo leather, which I bought off the resale market as well, was pre-loved, and I needed to do something about it. So sending it to a spa like Lux Bag Spa is genius, because you're taking care of these, in a way, investments. These bags can be resold, you know, and the more you take care of them, the better condition they're in, the smarter choice it is, and the better you are off. So hello, 3-in-1 company. I will link each site below. They have their different links to each site on the main Lux De Jour site, but I will obviously link to this item below. If they still have one, probably not, because I scored this one, but I'm gonna unbox this now from Lux De Jour, the amazing company based in Calgary, Canada. Thank you so much guys for sponsoring this video. You are such a fun company to work with. Check out their Instagram. They do some of the coolest reels. Honestly, they make me laugh. Like, their reels are just so different and so fun. They happily gave me a personal coupon code, which I was so thankful for you guys to use. So Jerusha will get you $100 off $1,000 spend, which is great, huh? Any saving we can get is great. Always check coupon codes, okay? They have some great deals going on right now for their Valentine's Day. I will also link that below. So many gorgeous, gorgeous pink bags. I spotted this ostrich situation going on and it is so gorgeous. Okay, we're getting into the unboxing, but I just want to quickly mention here, my Chanel double facets mirror giveaway is still going, and I would like to announce the winner of my last video's giveaway, and that is Miss Erin's Beauty. Hi babe, thank you so much for your comment. You are so gorgeous. This is coming to you, babe. I truthfully appreciate you subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every subbie that I have. That is why I'm doing these giveaways on this beautiful mirror. Erin, you're gonna love this because you're in beauty, babe. So if you want a chance to win this, just like all my other winners, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and comment anything below. I choose the winner on my next sit down video, so please go ahead and enter. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. You've waited long enough. So this is the beautiful, I'm trying to hold it back, it's so big. This is the beautiful Lux De Jour bag that it comes in. Obviously it came in a ginormous box, we didn't need to do that. And look at it, it's like quilted as well. It's really, really beautiful. Hello, can you say reuse you? I'm gonna take this to the shopping centers to do my grocery shopping in, girl. So it is absolutely ginormous. So I have to lift it out this way. Perfect. Okay. Whoops. So this is how it came down inside the box and in the Lux De Jour bag. Beautiful. They put it all together exactly, pretty much probably as the consignment came in. You know, that's the other thing. Keep everything. All right, Jerusha said, keep everything. Your ribbons, your camellias, your boxes, because when you consign, it's just so much nicer if you have all of that inside, rolled up inside your box. When they get sent to these consignment stores like Lux De Jour, they have the best team of authenticators that are going to authenticate your items, because obviously it's all authentic, and the more you have, it's just really, really beautiful. So here is the box. So there you go. Literally, you know, this could be a straight up boutique unboxing. We have all our gorgeous tissue paper. Look how far back from the camera I am, because this is so huge. Oh, cute. So we have our care booklet, and little dust cloth will be in there. Oh my god, I can't even get this out. Okay, are you ready to see what I picked up from Lux De Jour all the way up in Canada? So excited. I haven't seen this, so we're doing this together. Can you see this? Woo-hoo! This is the Chanel 22 backpack. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm getting blown away. Here's its dust bag, ginormous as you can see. Again, always keep. So here it is in all its glory. This is the shiny calf skin leather. So that's why I was like kind of shocked, because I was just thinking it would be maybe a little bit more crumpled or a harder, denser kind of leather, but it literally comes across like lamb. And then it has the aged gold hardware. This hardware, at first I was kind of like, I didn't know how I felt about it when I first got aged gold hardware. I'm just trying to think what I got it on. Well, my ruthenium's on my boy, but that kind of like, yeah, aged. It's not shiny, it's not in your face. It's, you sort of look at it and it's kind of almost like, I guess, yeah, like a worn sort of necklace that's, you know, it's dusted almost. So why did I opt to get the backpack? Because I believe it's versatile. I just think it is. Yes, of course, the handbag is so beautiful as well. The strap is gorgeous. It's got the little, I think the coin medallion comes on the front, and you can unpop the front of it, and then it comes with the little pouch inside. But to me, I felt like this was versatile because I loved grabbing it with the top handle, to wear it in the crook of my arm, and then to fling it over one shoulder with one strap. Because I am taller, I feel like it essentially gives me the same sort of top strap feeling as the classic 22 does. Now I know this is not everyone's cup of tea. I have not told Will about this bag, because when he first saw it, or I showed it to him, he was like, sorry, what? $8,000 for a Chanel garbage bag? Yeah, brutal. So again, this is the backpack. Let's just go over it for you. I will show you what fits. So here are the sides, and the back is just plain. The detail on this with the backpack is really quite cute. It's got these kind of like draw pin buttons on the side, and that's like where the strap threads through, and that's got CC logo on one side, and then on the other side it's got Chanel around that, engraved around that, which is really gorgeous. So then the feature on the chain here is it threads through, so it's double. This is the same on the handbag, but then it breaks into a larger sort of section for the backpack on the chain with the interwoven leather, which is quite nice. It breaks off, and what's in the middle of that is the CC logo, which you can see there. If I hold it up close, Jerusha, try. And obviously what I love about this combination of the gold, and that is, I know they've come out, it's a little bit more funky, like the white with the black resin. It's resin, okay? No judgment. I don't know. I don't love when they do plastic in things, and Chanel does do that. Lots of seasonal bags, lots of cruise has plastic and things like that, and resin. I'm not really a fan for these kind of prices and with these price increases. And this is literally like no odor. This is like brand, this, I don't even think this was like used. If we go ahead and open the top, yes, it's drawstrings, so you pull it open essentially, and then you pull the two cords, you can see, so that's what I meant by they're double. You pull them to pull it shut. So there we go again, you pull it to open it, and then you pull the double strap to pull it shut. Very easy to use. I think it's easy to use, but I also think a flat bag is easy to use when people won't even go near a flat bag, like Pochette Matisse, no way. So when it goes straight, it just looks like so. It's just got this hem here. Again, the beautiful quilting. I love this. The interior of this bag, which I knew from the site, is what is so beautiful. So stuffed. Oh, is it burgundy? Get out of here! Get out of here! The listing did not say this. I just said, is the lining burgundy? No. Get out. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? I've been watching Debbie Crown too much. It came with a Samorga bag organizer. Stop it! Oh my god, guys. Sorry, I had to take a minute. The listing didn't say this. It came, so obviously the previous owner got a Samorga bag. Good girl, or guy, good girl. See? Taking care of your handbags. And now it's on Lux De Jour for consignment. So clever. So it's in perfect condition. This is a Samorga for this bag in like a kind of berry color. Stop! Oh my god. Extra present inside. Didn't even know. It did not say that at all. So the beautiful thing I feel about this bag, and it's going to be tricky to show you, I'll hold it up like so, is the interior is like a beautiful satin quilting. I really feel like they just nailed it with the interior of this bag. It is so pretty, and I knew that it had that on the side. It shows that. It has one interior zip pocket on the back. There's a nice deep pocket on the back that you can see there. It's got Chanel Paris, made in Italy. There on the back, still got all of its protective stickers on it. You have Chanel on the actual zipper pull there. It is a microchip bag. I said that in my last unboxing. I said thank God. So we have the microchip there. Perfect. You can see the sateen kind of quilting on the back wall there. So beautiful. Very luxurious like that on the inside. So this comes with just their little claw clasp there on a leather strap. So on the actual handbag, there's a small pochette that comes with it. In the backpack, there isn't a pochette, but you can clip your key to this. Wow, we've got a Samorga. Oh my god, I'm trading out to this. I'm gonna show you what fits, that's for sure. I am currently using, no surprise, my Chanel 19. No surprise, okay? I really favor this bag almost too much. I'm gonna pop the 22 there and just show you. I traded out my items yesterday, finally. So I just sort of had them all stacked there like so. And that is my keys, my 4-ring Apple AirPods. I moved over to my little Chanel mini card case as a wallet. My catch-all at the moment is my little Kiragami. This is the medium in the Kiragami set, and that's a really cute size for a catch-all. My Celine sunnies and my round coin purse for my coins. And then, of course, your phone. This is an iPhone 14. Go ahead and pop that in here. I have put the smorgasbord back in, but obviously, you know, let's just put it all in anyway. So my little catch-all, my wallet, my keys, I'll go ahead and put that in a pouch, my coins, my ears, I'll put that in a pouch too, and my phone, I'll just put that in the body, and my sunnies, put that in the body. And I'll grab the little strap and I will clip my car key, and it's got my little luggage tag on it, onto the little strap that comes with the backpack. So cute! And then we can pull it to do it up. Oh my god, it's so, I love it. I love the vibe of this. This is a vibe. I don't care what my husband says, okay? It's Chanel, 1. 2, it's a vibe. 3, you're an oldie moldy, okay? You don't even know what's cool. That's a message to my husband, not you guys. You know what's cool. Okay, let's just stand back again. Mahusive. I am standing back so I can show it to you on me, on my frame. So I loved this look. Stop, I just love that. Now, totally cool. Show you what the kind of, tuck these in. Pretend that's on my shoulder. So that's kind of it, you know, you're just sort of getting a shoulder sort of look. Whereas with the backpack, it's more versatile. You can pick it up, you've got it there on the crook of your arm, just like so. It's got that kind of vibe. And then what I want to do is this over one shoulder. Just like so. I think that's really comfortable. It's obviously cinched up, so it's fine. Nothing's falling out. It's cute. I was wearing my mini Palm Springs as a backpack the other day. Mum was like, do you have a child's backpack on? I was like, yes. Okay, that is it, guys. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much again to Lux De Jour for sponsoring this video. I am so happy I found this bag on your site. And just to go back to what I love consignment. I believe in pre-owned. I have for a very, very long time, and if you've followed me for that long, you'll know. Actually, in the comments, you can comment below how long you've followed me, and that I did start with pre-owned, and that just supporting consignment stores is just so my zhuzh. So get out of here. Thank you so much to Lux De Jour. Check them out. I will leave all the links below. Please don't forget about my personal coupon code Jerusha. Again, please enter my giveaway for my Chanel mirror. Hello, Chanel Fest. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, I would super appreciate that, guys. There is a button below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, guys. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.